crispy on the outside, butter soft on the inside. This duck is amazing. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making an amazing duck breast with cauliflower puree and broccolini. So the first thing that we want to do is prepare the duck breast and get it ready for the sous vide. So we got a beautiful young duck breast here from Belle Farms, so let's open up the package. We're going to score the fat cap carefully. Make sure that you don't cut into the meat. Then we're going to season it on both sides with our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. We want to place it in a sous vide bag together with some aromatics. I'm using rosemary, thyme, and sage. We're going to set the temperature for 135 degrees. And now we're going to cook this for about an hour and a half. The duck breast is now cooking sous vide. So let's start preparing all the other ingredients. We want to cut the thick stems off the broccolinis, and then we want to cut it into smaller sprigs. We're going to drizzle these with olive oil, a little bit of soy sauce, and then we're going to season them with salt and pepper. Then we want to place these on parchment paper. We want to set the oven to 375 degrees. And now we're going to slowly roast them for about 30 to 40 minutes. We're going to cut a cauliflower head into florets. We also want to dice one onion into small dices. We're going to add a couple of cubes of butter into a medium hot pan. Then we're going to saute the onion. We also want to add 3 tablespoons of mashed garlic. We will cook this for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to add the cauliflower florets. We're going to pour in about 1.5 cups of white wine. We can also add 1 sprig of thyme. And then we want to cover and cook this for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the wine is almost evaporated. Then we want to add 1 cup of chicken broth and also 1 cup of heavy cream. We want to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. When the cauliflower is really soft and almost all the liquid is cooked out, you want to make sure that you remove the sprig of thyme. Then we want to put the cauliflower in a blender. Now we're going to blend this until we have a great texture. Then we can set it aside. The broccolini is now ready, so let's remove it from the oven. The duck breast is also ready, so let's remove it from the immersion circulator. We want to open up the bag. We're going to remove the aromatics. Then we're going to pat the duck breast dry. We want to add some olive oil to a low-medium hot pan. Then we're going to place the duck breast fat side down and slowly caramelize the fat. After a couple of minutes, when you have a good color, you want to flip it over. We're going to add a couple of sprigs of thyme, a couple of cubes of butter. Then we're going to cook the other side and baste the duck breast throughout with butter. When ready, you want to remove it and let it rest. And now we're going to cut into this and just look at the beautiful color. We're going to plate it by adding the cauliflower puree to the plate. Then we're going to add 2 slices of the duck breast. We want to add the crispy broccolini. Then we're going to drizzle some demi-glaze on top of the broccolini. We want to add 2 dollops of horseradish crema. And last but not least, we're going to finish with a dollop of French onion confit. And then this beautiful dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my duck breast with cauliflower puree. And I think we have to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. All these flavors really blend very well together. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.